Hey y'all, it's Key Matthews, broker and owner of Matthews & Company Realty Group. Let me show you something very special right here in Oak Park. We're standing at 3890 7th Avenue, right here in the heart of Sacramento's historic Oak Park community. This neighborhood, it has a deep history, a vibrant present, and an exciting economic future. Oak Park is one of Sacramento's most walkable and diverse areas, surrounded by local restaurants, coffee shops, and cultural landmarks. Its close proximity to downtown Sacramento and UC Davis Medical Center keeps it in high demand among professionals and families alike. And as the city continues to invest in housing and business growth, this neighborhood remains one of the best opportunities for long-term value. Check the stats. Let's get into this property. Almost completely rebuilt in 2025, this home gives you the benefit of modern construction in a well-established neighborhood. It features 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and almost 2,000 square feet of beautifully designed living space. The beautiful staging shows how spacious, bright, comfortable, and functional every room feels. From the generous kitchen and updated bathrooms to the inviting primary suite and balcony retreat, this home blends style and function perfectly. In today's economy, home ownership can be both a lifestyle choice and an economic advantage. When prices and rents are rising, owning your home means building equity, stabilizing costs, and creating long-term wealth. This property represents that opportunity: new construction quality, prime location, and lasting value in a market where smart buyers are investing in their futures. Oak Park's growth reflects Sacramento's evolution, a community where tradition meets progress, and homes like 3890 7th Avenue show what thoughtful redevelopment can achieve. At a time when every financial decision matters, 3890 7th Avenue represents lasting value, new construction quality in a neighborhood rich with history and growth. Are you ready to own in one of Sacramento's most promising neighborhoods? Let's talk. And remember, if you're doing what you were created to do, I will see you at the top.
Sacramento.